This money can go right into my piggy bank. It all adds up. Whoa! Huh? Oh no! My piggy bank! Why did this have to happen to me?
What's wrong, honey?
I broke my piggy bank, look!
Aw. Wait. Maybe I can fix this. I'll place 2 paper cups on top of each other. Now it's time to paint them. This yellow paint is perfect. I'll make long strokes down the cup. Now I need to make a small slot in the top cup. Next, I'll add some eyes. They'll look good right here. Then I'll stick wings to it. It needs a mouth. I'll draw one with a pen. That's more like it. I'll put a strip of black tape around the lips of the cups. Finally, I'll add some antenna on the top. Who needs a piggy bank when you have a bee bank? I need to show Madison. Look what I have. Let's put money in it. You can start saving again.
Thanks, Mom! This is unbelievable!
Wow, what a great book! I better get to school. I don't want to be late. Oops! Whoa! That was close! But I dropped my books! That was so annoying. This is the worst way to start the day. Ugh, that's them all. Stupid cable. Now this is a cute selfie. Time to go! Whoa! Not again! Great! Now I need to do my makeup again! Ugh, I feel like this is personal. What a great sleep. I had the best dream. Now for some breakfast. Uh-oh! Don't fall! Gotcha! I really should do something about that. It's gonna keep getting in the way. Hold on. It's coming to me. I know just what to do. I'll put the lamp right here and trail the wire across, creating a cityscape. Wow! What a view! And look at all this space! And I'm not tripping over anything! Ah. This product is the best! Oh. Okay, that was unexpected. This isn't the greatest shelf. This is going in the trash. You belong right here. Wait a minute. That's interesting. I think I can use this! I'll place the mannequin torso on the table. Then I'll separate it. Then I'll place these shelves into it. I'll space them out evenly. Now I'll put the top back on. It's time to decorate. Wow, that looks amazing. I'll put it right here. I love the color! And there's lots of space for all my things. And I know that they are safe. This is just what I need. Ah, perfect. I better unpack all my new things. Wow, it all looks great. What else? Oh, I know. Doesn't a stool usually have more legs than this? That's weird. Aha! That's better. Let's try it out. Whoa! This'll definitely work. I know it. Here goes. Nope. Oh, this tub might be handy. Let's get to work. I'll roll the tub in some padded fabric. Then I'll stand it upright. Now I need to attach the fabric to the tub. This should hold it in place. And I'll do the same with the lid. What a transformation! It looks better than my original stool. I love this! I hope it's comfortable. There's only one way to find out. Wow! It's amazing! I can't believe I'm late! I need my rings. Where are they? They're all tangled together. This is the ring I want. Come on! Uh-oh! Oops. Madison! Where are you? Just look at this. It's a mess. Hey! Replace the toilet paper! Wait. Can I have that? The toilet paper tube? What? You'll see. I'll start with a box. I'll apply a line of glue across the box. Then I'll stick the toilet paper tube to it. I'll cover them with this material. Then I'll use a popsicle stick to push the material between the tubes. It's a great jewelry box. And it's ideal for keeping my rings and necklaces separate. It's exactly what I needed. Wow! Let me see. This is the ring I want. It's so nice. Oh yeah. Here you go. Have a good time. Thanks. Wait, what? Gotta go! This is so pretty. Oh, I need to go. What time is it? Oh no! I've overslept! I better grab my things! I need a better alarm. Hold on. I didn't do my homework! Oh, this needs to be quick! Oh, this looks tough. Should I just guess? I might get lucky. Okay, that'll do. Let's go! Huh? I'm stuck. What the? I'll just give it a pull. Come on! Let go! Give me my skirt back! Whoa! Phew. Luckily the couch was here. I'll try and unravel it. That's better. I need to fix that screw. I don't want to tear my clothes. Oh, my hair scarf. This might fix it. This'll be fun. I'll place some padding on the stool. Then I'll drape my scarf over it. I'll turn the stool upside down and tie the scarf underneath it. I need it to be tight and pinch the fabric. Okay, let's turn it the right way up. It needs a little more work. I'll staple the center of the padding. Then add more staples to each side. There! What a difference! It looks a lot classier. And it won't snag my clothes. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Oh! School! I don't have time to sit around! Who's at the door? Aw, they're beautiful! What a nice surprise. Oh, there's a note. They're from Kevin! He's such a sweetheart. Where should I put them? Steady! No! Phew, what a catch. This is a better vase. Let's try this again. Seriously? Why does this keep happening? This is more like it. Oh, that's it. I give up. Flowers are overrated. Unless… these stones might help. I have a great idea. Let's do this. I'll add the stones to the vase. Now I'll pour in this magical potion. Just kidding. It's just a clear liquid. But it'll keep my flowers in the vase. Okay, I think I put my flowers in now. Aw, they look so pretty. I'm so lucky. I'm glad I thought of that. The vase looks great with the flowers. I need to thank Kevin. Hey! Did I miss anything? No, the movie's just starting. Just give me a minute. I'm trying to get comfortable. That's better. Is that a hole? How did that happen? I'm sorry. I'll take that blanket. It's okay. I've got it. Oh, yeah, you do. Hold on. Where? I mean, sure. Okay, this should help. I'll use this to cover the hole. See? Oh, right. That's what you were doing. I totally knew that. I'll be right back. I have an idea! And I need this box of old t-shirts. I'll lay this t-shirt flat on the table. Now I'll cut across the middle of it. I'm cutting through both sides of the t-shirt, but I'm not cutting all the way across. I want to cut around the image. Okay, that looks good. I just need this part. Now I'll lay it down on the surface. I'll do the same with other t-shirts until I have a lot of images. Then I'll stitch them together. It makes a patchwork blanket. Look what I have! Ooh, that looks super cozy. Wow, I love it. Let's snuggle up. The images are so cool. I made it myself. You deserve this. I love our movie nights.
I'm so getting an A on this essay. Whoa! Was I typing too fast? I burned my legs! Technology's supposed to make life easier! Did I do that? Looks like my temper got the best of me. Or maybe I'm just a total genius. Light bulb moment coming through. Turn over a large frame like this. And squeeze out some glue like this. Make sure it's an even line around the border. Perfect. Now stick a large pillow right on top. Push down to make sure it sticks. For more security, push the metal tabs down. All done! When using a hard surface like this, your computer won't overheat. And it's way more comfortable. Now, where was I? Whoa! Ugh! Phew, that was close. Whoa! My phone! Jeez, is this thing made of butter? Whoa! Watch out for those chips, Kevin! Man, I'm seeing stars. That's gonna leave a bruise. And the stupid mat's the culprit. Unless… Have a doormat that's trying to kill you? Try some hot glue. Squirt out some squiggly designs. They'll create traction with the floor. Just be sure the globs are nice and thick. Almost done. Then let it dry. You'd better be nice to me now, Mr. Doormat. Feel secure. Behold, it's staying put. I'm sure not gonna miss those nasty falls. Let me go first. Please, Kev? How about no? Come on, dude, I gotta go! Almost there? Whoa! He forgot to put the stupid seat down? Kevin? Kevin! Get your butt in here! You have to remember to put the seat down! A monkey could do it, see? So dramatic. Like I don't have enough to worry about. Wait a minute. This yo-yo can do the work for me. If you look inside the toilet, you can attach the string to this part here. Then run it down under the seat and tape it so it stays in place. Keep going up the seat, taping along the way. So, when you flush, down the seat will go. Bathroom magic, baby! I think you should go for it, Olivia. Ooh, I gotta go. Time to taste my cherry pie masterpiece. Smells like heaven. Kevin, I baked a whole pie to share. But get a whiff of this thing. Oh yeah. No! I hate when that happens. Gah! Come on! That won't work. I wish I had a pizza cutter right about now. Almost got it. Come on! Whoa! I didn't know I was that strong. But But perhaps this is a blessing in disguise. I think I'm onto something. Take some scissors like these and run hot glue along one of its blades. Then stick the broken triangle piece on it. Hold it there till it dries. Now, watch this. No toppings are sliding off this time. We have liftoff, ladies and gentlemen. I love you, dear slice of pizza. Want to give it a whirl?
What was your favorite DIY make? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and remember to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos just like this one.